This is the Freescape Camp Kitchen Kit. It contains the Freescape Camp Kitchen Knife and the Freescape Paring Knife. Access the knives inside by unlocking the kit's 3-stop locking system. The knives are kept in place in the drawer using magnets. It contains a built-in ceramic sharpener, and the handle makes it easy to carry. The container doubles as a cutting board, and its drip channel makes it easy to work with and clean. There's additional storage in the drawer that can be used for antibacterial wipes or a towel. Its bright green Freescape color makes the kit easy to spot in a gear bag. Elevate your campsite. This is the Freescape Camp Kitchen Kit.
Making homemade yogurt is now easy and fun with the Dash Yogurt Maker. The Dash Yogurt Maker features 7 individual glass jars. To start, add milk and just a little bit of starter yogurt. Pour the mixture into the 7 glass jars. Set your timer and cover. You're ready to start making your very own homemade yogurt delights. Get creative with fun flavors and the Dash 7-jar yogurt maker.
I'm Mary Rogers with Cuisinart. This is Cuisinart's electric knife. It's very versatile. It's great for cutting roasts. It has a switch here which locks it, which I just press to release it so that it can work. But I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to just carve a chicken. Look how juicy that is. I'm going to put it aside. And the other thing that's really great about this electric knife is that you don't have to use a lot of pressure. It's really ergonomic to hold, and it's so simple and easy to use. I'm just going to take that off of there. And now what I'm going to do is show you how easy it is to switch blades. There's 2 little buttons right here. You just press it and lift the blade out. And now we're going to put in the bread blade. You just slip it right in. And now we're going to cut some bread. The nice thing about having an electric knife is that, there's so many breads out there that are beautiful artisan breads that you don't want to cut before you use it. So you can cut really thick slices if you want. Look how easy that is. Or you can cut thin slices for sandwiches. You'll notice too that it comes with this storage block, which is wood. The nice thing about it is that it has a little lock here. So you lift it up and you turn it, and it actually locks the blades right into place. And then you can put the housing right here, and it snaps right into place. You can store this standing up, or remove this, and you can actually store it right in your drawer in your kitchen. And there you have it, a really versatile product, especially when you're having company. It's a really quick and easy way to carve your roasts, and you keep stress-free.